My name is Dr. Taylor Krupp, and I am an associate veterinarian here at Central Providence Veterinary Hospital. My assistant Bailey and I are going to be talking to you guys today about cat pain management.
Dr. Krupp, how do I know if my cat is in pain?
Cats can be very stoic and they can be hard to read at home. They don't always like to show you that they're uncomfortable. There are several things you can look out for though. The most obvious is probably that they are holding up a paw or a limb when they are trying to move around, or if they're limping. Things can be more subtle. Maybe your cat is just not able to jump on things it used to, or it has to hesitate before it actually makes that jump. You can also notice more subtle signs, like your cat not trying to be as much as part of the family, sleeping more often, or having a decreased appetite. Those are all indications your cat may be painful.
What medications are available for pain relief in cats?
We have many different options to reach for depending on what the underlying cause of your cat's pain is. There are several different oral medications, including pain relievers and anti-inflammatories. We can also reach for laser therapy, injectables, and just joint supplements as well.
Are over-the-counter pain medications safe for my cats?
Over-the-counter pain medications can be very harmful to your cat. So if you're concerned your cat is painful, I would avoid any medications until you can talk to a veterinarian.
How do I know if my cat needs a pain medication?
That can be challenging to decipher. So if you think that your cat is experiencing signs of distress or pain, schedule an appointment with your vet, share your concerns. We'll do a really good physical exam, watch how your cat maneuvers the room, and we can decide what is appropriate for them to start.
Is physical therapy beneficial for cats in pain?
Physical therapy can be very beneficial for cats in pain, but we also have to figure out what your kitty cat will tolerate. So if we think that they could benefit from an exercise program or more kind of holistic modalities, we can definitely talk about some physical therapy options.
What are the best ways to keep my arthritic cat comfortable?
When you have an arthritic kitty cat, we really try to target or create a more of a multimodal approach. So pain medications are very helpful for their quality of life, yes, but there's also more that we need to do. We need to make sure they're at appropriate weight. Increasing weight on joints can make things much harder for your kitty cat. We also want to utilize joint supplements to keep the joints as happy and healthy as we can, and then low concussive exercise is also very vital to help your kitty cat's joints keep going.
Can diet and nutrition affect my cat's pain levels?
Diet and nutrition can definitely impact your cat's comfort level and the joint health. So the more weight your cat carries, the harder it is for them to be active, pain-free, because it adds a lot of weight onto those joints themselves.
What environmental changes can I make to help a cat in pain?
If your cat is in pain and you want to know how you can alter your house, I think it depends on what changes you're noticing. So our kitty cats like to be up high, but often one of the first things we see is that they can't jump as high as they used to, or it's painful for them to jump down. So putting in different steps or levels for them to get up to where they used to like to go, it can be really helpful in enriching your cat's life, but also making sure that they're comfortable.
What should I discuss with my vet about my cat's pain management plan?
If you think that your cat is painful, you definitely need to be seen by a vet, have a good physical exam, share your concerns with what you're noticing at home. And then if you're concerned about giving pain medications or you're concerned about coming to the vet for frequent therapies, let us know and we can help to try to find an option that works best for you and your kitty cat.